Okay, guys, I want to talk about Trump's coin as it has sparked attention everywhere in the world. It's one of the first. It's the first presidential coin to actually do this. No one kind of probably suspected this, and it has made people, lots and lots of money. And a lot of people are saying, "Oh, it's getting rug pulled," and people are losing, lots of money too. My thing is, this is part of trading in general. Things are going to go up, things are going to go down. When something goes from, let's see, this started out as, all the way here at 10, it opened up. I'm seeing on TradingView. I know it was way back in 18 cents, but on TradingView, but it went from like 18 cents and we're all the way up into the $79 range. Of course, it's going to cool off. That's just how it works. People have to take profit, right? And I'm going to show you guys exactly what I'm looking at, exactly what I see, and all of the things. The bands in the middle are your EMAs. That is where you can look to get precise entries. We started, of course, we need some data, and this is using TradingView. So once you see price coming back to this EMA 50, that's where you're going to look for your strong support, okay? It's not, this is a 15-minute chart, so you can't suspect price to just keep always bouncing on that. So we had a bounce here at $24 and we went up to 30, right? And then we had our next bounce right here at 25, and this was the big move, right? From this region here, and if we go all the way to the top, that was a massive 216% gain in literally a very short amount of time, 18 January to 19, about a day's worth. But I just wanted to go over the chart, see what I see. A lot of people are, a lot of people love it, a lot of people hate it. But this is honestly, like I said, you trade, we understand the risk, never put anything more than you can lose. This is a meme coin. I don't like talking a lot about this stuff as I'm more of a stock guy. But I will trade anything with price action that has lots of volume. And this is what we're having here right now, guys. So I don't think this is just going to be a pump and dump. I think this is a pullback for a move higher, in my honest opinion. But we do have to keep in concern that our entry here, again, was right here on this EMA 50. It really depends on what you're trying to look for. From this load, if we go from here to this high here, you made another 35% gain. You see how fast you can make some money here? This is very insane. So we did have this Melania thing. The Melania had her token, and a lot of people are saying that's what caused the slowdown of this. But still, $70 to 40. But you got to understand, we started like in the penny range. So I mean, this is due for a pullback. But what I'm looking to see is, does price get back above this EMA 50? We started to see the downtrend right in here on the 15-minute chart. I can't look at any other time frame because this thing hasn't been out long, so I have to use smaller time frames. And on the 15-minute chart, I love the 15-minute chart. So if we could see a pullback away from this EMA 50, I very easily can see the uptrend to continue. Now, if I'm going to look to trade against the trend, I would look to see price coming back to this Keltner channel, which is this red band. You see when price, had this, came near it, it had a swift kick in the butt where price, went up. And that would be more of a scalping strategy to get, hey, I want to get fast 10%, right? But yeah, you can see how we follow the trend idea here. This is how I love to do, day trading ideas. And then you can see, look, if you ever were like, oh, when should I short this thing? I'm not all about that, but I'm saying, or when should I sell, right? So if you were in this coin and you seen price way above this upper counter channel, you can get my settings in the Discord if you're part of it. But I just wanted to show you guys a different aspect of trading. I haven't really done coins, but price action is always the same. Right in here, price can't sustain this, right? Price is extremely above this. We haven't hit this EMA 20 in quite some time. You see this EMA 20, this band here. Price is going to come back to these EMAs. So when price is imbalanced up in here, price pulls back to these EMAs, and this is where price pulls up for a move higher, right? So, and that's really what trading is what's happening here. So for example, right now we're on this EMA 20. We can probably expect a pullback on this 20, right? As that is a high critical area for a sell point. Until we get above this 20 here and we start making higher gains, then we can look to do something else, right? So I want to see, what I want to see is, I want to see price go above this 20, right? And then what I want to see is this EMA 50, or above the EMA 50. Then I want to see the EMA 50 at the very bottom, just like when this was acting as support, right? We've seen it acting as support many times, right in here, right in here, right in here, and you can see these massive bounce effects. And it's just absolutely beautiful. If you guys watch my day trading education, you will understand this is my highest value of plays when price hits the upper counter channel. We play it on the 10 and the 50 when we start seeing those Keltner channels hit. So if you watch my swing trade momentum things, you could see that we would take an entry right here on this EMA 10. I was trying to find an arrow here. Yeah, right here. So we take our entry right in here. That is the EMA 10. We skip the 5 and we go to the 10, and look at this massive move up from 55 to 77. And then we only play these levels once, and then we skip the 20 and go to the 50. And then look at this massive level. You know, we had this, and we go up some more, right? And that's really how you follow the trend idea on a smaller time frame. But you got to understand, it's a 15-minute chart. It can break to the other side of the trend in a heartbeat, right? So right now we're getting rejection on the EMA 20. None of us should be surprised. And that's just reversion to the mean on a downward spiral here, because price is in a downtrend on a lower time frame. Until we get above this EMA 50, there's not much we can do. Yeah, anything that has massive volume, that is literally what trading is. A lot of people are like, well, he shouldn't have a coin and all this. He's going to rug pull everyone. You can lose more money anywhere. You know, it doesn't matter if it's this. Obviously, this is higher risk. If you can make this amount of returns in a blink of an eye, you got to understand that the risk is going to be there. So, you know, if you want to play a safer thing, then play bigger cap stocks like Nvidia that don't move as much, right? So, or play ETF like SPY. But this is a very great opportunity if you want to look at a smaller time frame. This is how I'm looking to trade this meme coin. And you might ask, well, where can you look to buy this? You can go to Moonshot. That's a very popular one. Moonshot, Kraken has it. There's many sites that have it. So that's where you would look to buy it, and you can fund your crypto wallet. And this is how I'm looking to play it. I'm looking for a price. Either we hit this lower Keltner channel. We did not hit this, unfortunately. If I see a clear penetration, just like when I see a clear penetration up in here, this is a sell zone, because price can't be sustained here. Actually, I need to change this to red, because that is a sell zone, and then the bottom is a buy zone. So it should look like this. Red is sell zone. This is green for buy zone. So that's what I'm looking to do here. And then for my uptrend strategy, basically I just wait till price gets above the CMA 50, wait for the 50 to be the bottom, and then we'll play the bounce effects on that. So but just keep in mind, the longer this 15-minute has been uptrending, do keep in mind that it can definitely downtrend. But then we want to catch it early once we start seeing this candles come up to this upper ATR4, and then play it on the 10 and the 50, just like like right in here, you start to see that early trend idea. You could have played it here on the 10. It keeps bouncing. This was the best setup right here. We hit above the upper band. We played on the 10, just like on my swing trading setup on how to follow the trend. This is the same thing on a lower time frame. When there's massive volume, when it's very bullish, you play it on the 10 and play it on the 50. Those are your best areas. Only play it a couple times, and then obviously wait for the bottom band for a trend reversal, where you look for price to be oversold and then come back up to the EMAs, right? And that's how you make those fast returns. I just want to talk about it because this is the coin that's everyone talking about it, and I love price action that has lots of volume. If I was gonna, I'm looking to play this one on the 15-minute chart. There's not really any other chart to play, and it works amazing. As you can see, look how clean this price action is, okay? Very, very clean. But hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want to join the premium Discord, learn my strategies. This is just a little tidbit of how I would trade this thing that is highly volatile. You can make 10, 20, 30% in literally minutes. And then I showed you guys how to trade the trend reversal. Right now we're in a downtrend on the 15-minute, and then how to trade the uptrend. That uptrend, I think we're gonna go to new highs, and I think we're gonna have that new uptrend coming, but you want to get in early on that trend, and that's going to be that EMA 10 and 50, and that's how you're going to get in early on that. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys want to join the premium Discord, I'm going to post my alerts in the Discord. We're going to have an exciting week. Lots of stuff going on. Trump is going to be present here. I think we're going to have a big bull market with that. I think there's going to be a lot of hype. Everyone's excited. But if you guys want to join the premium Discord, click the link down below in YouTube comments below and in the description. It'll take you to this free chat landing page to join my Discord. And then if you want to become a member and subscribe, all you have to do is hit day trade alerts, and it'll give you access to all my swing trades and day trades for only $12 a month. Literally, it's going to be the cheapest and most affordable Discord, which is how I wanted to make it, which gives you also high value probability a trading system that will make you consistently profitable. This system right here has made me a full-time trader. I've tried so many strategies. Lots of them did not work. This one has made me consistently profitable, and I'm going to teach you guys everything you need to know. You're not going to be left empty-handed. You're not going to be like, well, this is I'm going to learn everything that fits my system, and then I have all the education videos for you guys to learn. And it's not going to take you guys a lot of time. It's very beginner friendly. Dip your toes in the water, and I promise you, you guys are gonna love it. Worst case scenario, you lose $12. You're gonna be fine. Okay, it's cheaper than probably a Starbucks drink by now. But hit the service shop here if you want to read about the 2 memberships. I recommend Day Swing Trading Plus. You get to learn my day trading strategy and swing trading for only $12. If you just want swing trades, it's $6. And if you subscribe on your computer, it's only you'll avoid the iOS fee. But yeah, I just want to talk about this one because I'm looking at the chart. You can kind of see how, okay, yeah, we're hitting this EMA 20. We'll probably reject here. And I gave you guys different scenarios how I'm looking to trade. I know there's millions of strategies out there. This strategy is very safe. It works. And it's very simple and to the point, right? We wait for the setup to come, have an alert set. You can right click, put an alert on when Trump comes or Trump USD comes over here to this up lower band, or once we start breaking above the CMA 50 and wait for the 50 to be the bottom, and then we look to play the bounce effects and following the trend idea. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. I'll see you guys in the Discord. I think it's got a lot of, we got a lot of stuff going on. I'm excited. I post all my alerts in there, and let's make some money. Peace out.